Let's see what else we've got there. We've got yarn.
Yarn.
Very good. And we've got yard.
Yard.
Brilliant. And when you look at this, it really helps. Yee. Where's our tongue tip for? Yeah, very good. The tongue tip's behind the bottom teeth, isn't it? Very nice. Fantastic. So then if we were to think about a L word, like for example this one here, lamb, how does that sound? Lamb.
Lamb.
Very nice. The tongue's up, right? Lamb.
Lamb.
In a lot. That's right. So press this one with your finger. Nice. Okay. And then the next one, press there for next. The question is, what's another word for fat? Is it yard? Yard, or is it lard?
Lard.
It's lard. You're right. Lard's another word for fat.
Lard.
Very nice.
Yes.
Play the ukulele. So bad, isn't it? Have you ever heard anyone play the ukulele? So bad.